Hello there, this is Stephen Valenti and welcome to the Reach US booth here at InfoComm 2019. Appreciate you stopping by. So what we're doing here is showing the Bee8 product, which we've had out in the product line for about 5 years now. I've had the most success with this in the US for all of our product line. It's a 3-input encoding and recording and streaming appliance. It has DVI inputs, which will then take and scale from composite video all the way up to 1080p, and it allows me to split the scene into 3 different images. So on my HDMI output or my live stream output, we can put up to 5 streams going elsewhere, either RTSP or RTMP to YouTube, Facebook Live, or any of those type of CDNs. And the product will then allow me to record that in a hard drive internally. There's a 1 terabyte hard drive that comes with the machine. Another unique feature about this machine is it also records redundantly at the same time on a thumb drive. So real unique feature is that when you're done with your recording, you can pull out the thumb drive and take it and go. And you never lose the event. If somebody removes the thumb drive too soon, it's redundantly recorded on the hard drive, so you never lose your content, never have to ask a trainer to repeat themselves. If I go ahead and plug in the unit, it interrogates the thumb drive, and it'll tell me how long the recording's going for, how much time I have on that drive. It's detecting the drive, interrogates it, and tells me 3.1 hours worth of storage in that particular drive because there's other content on there. So it's very self-sufficient, very easy to use, very intuitive. In order to start a recording, you simply press the button, and notice when I do that up on the screen, it's going to take the image and show another feature that's unique to Reach. It's called PowerPoint Switch. This is a way I can bring up my PowerPoint full screen, have an introductory splash screen, and then anytime I move the PowerPoint again to another scene, it's going to sense the pixel changes and bring it up automatically. That's our unique PowerPoint switch feature. We also have an iPad app that was also very helpful with the Reach Bee8. The iPad app allows me to do PTZ control, preview the scene, as well as have actual layout and template layout changes, and stop and start and pause recording. And then lastly, one of the other unique features is this QR code. The Bee8 has a capability of sending up to 40 microstreams of the 3rd input, so your PowerPoint content, to local users in the room. Okay? So the Bee8 is by far the most powerful and unique encoding, streaming, recording machine on the marketplace today. So visit our website. Let us help you design this into a system. It can participate in several different systems with FTP push or content sharing through our media portal. Let us help you. Our website is www.reachus.tv. Thank you very much.